How to fix WhatsApp images and videos not showing in gallery or photos on iPhone. First up, all you have to do is go to your settings and then scroll down until you see the WhatsApp option. Click on WhatsApp and here click on Photos. Make sure that you have full access to the photo library access, and if you do not, just simply click on the full access option until you see a tick mark beside it. Once you have given full access to the photo library, go back and here go back to the settings again. After this, scroll up in the settings page and then look for the general option. Click on general and then go down to the bottom of the page and then click on shutdown. Slide through the slide to power off option and then this will shut down your phone. Restart it after a few minutes and then check if the problem has resolved. If not, all you have to do is go to the WhatsApp, click on the settings option in the bottom right and then click on chats. Here you see an option called save to camera roll. Click on the toggle button beside the save to camera roll option and then you are good to go. After this, if the problem is still not resolved, all you have to do is go to your home screen again and then go to App Store. Here search up WhatsApp and as you can see, I have an option called Open. But instead of Open, if you have an update option, click on the update option and update your app to the latest version. And this is how easily you can fix WhatsApp images not being saved in your gallery. Hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.